Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Inspire DIY Challenge hosted by Elena Jenkins DIY and Michelle Cozy Home. Make sure you show these ladies plenty of love. Their links will be in my description box. In today's challenge, Elena and Michelle wanted us to find something that inspires you and create it. So I am very inspired by this wonderful picture. Today's DIY is a thrift find, everybody. I was able to find this for only $1 and I love it. It looked so good and it was in excellent condition. If you are new here, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching. I am Tay of Uneatly Tay. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping, tablescapes, and so much more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video. And drop me a comment down below and connect with me. I always return the love. Thank you so much. I love how my sign turned out. It looks so good. It says, "It's good to be home," and it's always good to be home. I love the colors. It goes perfect with my coffee bar. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Uneatly Tay. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.